Welcome to Earthly Organic Naturals, where nature's remedies are at your fingertips. Cholesterol. What do we make this with? Ingredients: 1 to 2 teaspoons of loose leaves or 1 tea bag of green tea, 1 clove of garlic, 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, 1 thumb of ginger root, and 2 cups of water. Instructions: peel and slice the ginger, crush the garlic clove and measure out the turmeric and green tea. In a medium saucepan, add the 2 cups of water and bring to a boil. Add the garlic, turmeric, ginger, and green tea to the water and stir. Reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain the tea into a cup to remove the solids ingredients. How to use. This is a tea, so consume 1 cup daily. It is best consumed in the morning before meals to maximize the absorption of the compounds. Remember, consistency is key. How does it all work? Green tea contains epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG, which has been shown to help lower LDL cholesterol levels and improve overall heart health. Garlic contains allicin, which has been studied for its ability to lower cholesterol, reduce the risk of heart disease, and improve blood pressure. Turmeric is high in curcumin, which is a strong anti-inflammatory that can also reduce LDL cholesterol levels and prevent the formation of blood clots. Ginger contains gingerol, which are known to improve heart health by lowering cholesterol, relaxing blood vessels, and improving blood circulation. Note: combining this with a proper, healthy diet and exercise will have the best overall outcome. Join us. Like, share, follow, and subscribe. New content added often.